Hello, hi there. I don't know whether this is gonna work or not. I will just try to build a LED light to put in my kid's pumpkin. Right, whilst the solder iron is heating up, I will arrange all of these in the correct order. I want to put these in series, so plus, now put the plus to the left, and plus to the left. The next step, I will give all of these a little, I want to put these together like this, and this goes here, and this one then here. I use these holders. I think they come in quite useful for soldering things together, especially if you have a little bit of shaky fingers like myself. Just comes to the right heights together. Right, the solder iron is warm now. Put a bit of, prepare these first. That's it. Now I just want to put these two at the right level together. That should do. And we can move on to the next one. Just checking again, this is plus, so the minus should come here.
We didn't have that.
No, we don't.
So we go like this. Again, prepare it. And then I can probably hold this one and bring these two together.
Who even tells me that?
I know.
And now just confirm.
Have some water now, please.
So plus is on this side, and we'll make it plus here so I don't mix it up again. It's been assembled. I'd like to stick this into here. third one too. This can now be put into these weights. Connect these. And here we go. Pumpkin lights are ready, set. Right, I've put now the weights through here, made a hole in the bottom of the pumpkin, and now I just switch it on and let's go. Well, the design is not mine, this has been made by a small kid. Right, I've taken it now in the bathroom and you can see how this pumpkin looks. We've got here glasses for the pumpkin, and here we've got a friendly pumpkin face. At least this is what I've been told by the designer. Thanks very much for watching.